Welcome to Little Learners Lab channel. Let's have fun with the alphabet. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. Infinist. O for orange. P for pencil. K for king. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for train. U for unicorn. V for van. W for whale. X for X-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra. Thank you and continue your journey of learning.